The efficiency of Mr. Newsmith's company is stagnating. It's not because he lacks ideas, but because his rigid ERP software doesn't map the business processes properly. He even pays quite a bit for that. Does he have to conform to the system? Not with Nuclos. With the Nuclos ERP kit, we develop individual ERP software that adapts to his company. We involve Mr. Newsmith directly in the development process. We define the requirements together and get started right away. During the agile development, we remain in close contact. This is how we guarantee an optimal solution step by step. At the end of the process, there is a company software that maps the business processes of Mr. Newsmith's company as if it were tailor-made. In this way, he can continuously increase efficiency. Request more information now at